The MSI Vigor GK50 low profile is an impressive budget mechanical keyboard that offers a unique typing experience. With its low-profile Kale chalk switches, this keyboard brings a typewriter-like feel to your fingertips. The loud, satisfying clicks will remind you of old-school typewriters, and the fast response time will have your fingers flying across the keys. This keyboard is a great choice for gamers and typists alike, as it provides an enjoyable and nostalgic typing experience. While it has its flaws, the Vigor GK50 is an excellent value for money. The stiff shift and spacebar keys may be a bit of an issue for some, especially during gaming sessions, but the overall typing experience is top-notch. The braided cable adds a nice touch of durability, and a good price point makes it an attractive option for those on a budget. One downside is the software issues. Currently, the accompanying software doesn't download properly, limiting your ability to customize the RGB lighting and other features. However, this is a minor inconvenience compared to the overall quality of the keyboard. Despite a few minor drawbacks, the MSI Vigor GK50 low profile is an exceptional budget mechanical keyboard. It offers a premium typing experience at an affordable price, making it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their typing game without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.